Do you want to show everybody what happened?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
I was getting out of one of these little pools, and it's very slippery. So yeah, it's actually open completely.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's not. I just wish it was.
Super Blue! Woohoo!
Okay, day 2.
Day 2. Fact about Hawaii. Lava rocks are absolutely the most uncomfortable things in the world. Okay, so what have we done today? We woke up at, what time was it, 8?
8.
Yeah, we're in the tent. Gabe goes, wake up, it's 8 o'clock.
Like it was late.
Like it was late or something. But anyways, last night was super fun. We went to downtown Lahaina. Lots of little shops around.
We ate a mahi burger.
Yeah, Paia Fish Market. I probably said that wrong, so.
It's actually really good.
It was super good. We had mahi fish burgers, and they were amazing. And we're gonna wait till this helicopter goes away. Okay, so this morning we went to a beach, and the waves were actually insane. Like, seriously insane.
They were sweet.
Dylan pretty much got a concussion. Of course Dylan got a concussion.
It was awesome.
I go out at night and paint the stars. I go out at night and leave my head on the bed. I go out at night and race my heart. I go out at night and leave my head on the bed. Starry, starry night. This is how I wanna live. Gonna lay me down in love. I got so much more to give.
I take that back. Just kidding. Just kidding.